Every company loses time, but most don't know where they lose the time. In this video, I will show you how to detect idle time in your company and unproductive behavior using Wolfeye Remote Screen. You will see exactly how the dashboard reveals when your employees are active, are inactive, or distracted. Let's open Wolfeye Remote Screen dashboard to see how it will help you to uh, identify unproductive behavior. Hi, my name is Angel. I'm from wolfeye.de, and this is what you will get when you install Wolfeye Remote Screen on each of your employees' computers. This is the dashboard login. This is the demo version. So the password to the demo version is 12345. Of course, if you install it on your computers, you will set your own password. You will have your own password to your demo. 12345. I log in, and if you log in, you will see for each of the computers that you have installed Wolfeye Remote Screen, the live screen. You will see the live screen just like this. And what you see here is the live screen. Live screen means it is a screenshot updated every 3 seconds. So you see here for this computer, every 3 seconds, the live updated screenshot. It is like seeing in live what they are doing for each of the computer in one screen. Yeah, you have the possibility to change here the columns to 2 columns, so you see the screens in big, or just 3 columns, you see more screen at the same time. And this way, this way will help you to identify idle time, to identify which worker is unproductive. For example, you might see that by seeing the live screen of this worker number 1 here on the top of demo 1, the worker of demo 1, you see that he is working hard on a project, while at the same time, the worker here, demo 5, that he is only searching or buying on Amazon or chatting with friends, booking his next, planning his next vacation, or even working for someone else. And this is how Wolfeye Remote Screen will help you exactly identify unproductive behavior. But not only that, by the way, this is an example dashboard. Okay, this is the example dashboard, demo dashboard. So normally you will see here the live screen. Here you only see these pictures, just that you know. Okay, not only that, you will also have the possibility by right mouse click in history. It opens in a new tab, screenshot history, made every 5 minutes a screenshot, okay? So that you can better identify idle time. You don't have to be there checking and monitoring all the time, but once a day you go and make a check. What have they been doing? It is advisable not to select intervals that are too short, for example, every 1 or 2 minutes, which is possible. You set the interval as you like, but to set it like every 5 minutes. That's standard, or every 10 minutes, because then you have less pictures that you must check and monitor. That's basically it. So what I ask you to do is come to our website, please. Wolfeye.de is our website. And please start a free trial. Book a demo here with us. I will put the link in the description of the video. Book a Google Meet demo. And in this Google Meet demo, you select here the day that you want to do the demo, for example, this, and the time, okay? In this Google Meet demo, I will share my screen and I will demonstrate Wolfeye to you. You will have access to my dashboard and be able to see the live screen of my computers. Then the next step, if you want, I can guide you through the installation process on your computers. I can help you and guide you installing the software on 1 or 2 computers, as you see here. And this will enable you to quickly set up your software by yourself. And the next step is you will receive the access of your dashboard, where you see the live screen and the screen history, if you like. It has to be enabled, the live screen of the computers that you installed. And you test it for some time, for a few weeks, yeah, to be sure and know that this program helps you. So I hope to that you contact me. I hope that we can schedule a Google Meet session. I'm happy to do it with you. We see us in the next video. Have a nice day.